Hello friends, welcome in our channel Inventor of Science. The invention of GPS. In this video, we will learn how satellites change the way we navigate. Have you ever thought about how you got from paper maps to the little blue dot on your phone that tells you exactly where you are? Behind that magic is one of the greatest inventions of the 20th century, GPS, or Global Positioning System. Today, we'll uncover how GPS was invented, why it was originally built for the military, and how it became the invisible tool that guides billions of people every single day. The story of GPS begins during the Cold War. After the Soviet Union launched Sputnik in 1957, American scientists noticed that they could track its radio signal and calculate its orbit. That sparked an idea. If you can track a satellite in space, maybe a satellite could track you on Earth. In the 1960s, the U.S. Navy developed a system called Transit, the first satellite navigation system, mainly to guide submarines armed with nuclear weapons. But Transit was slow and limited. By the 1970s, the U.S. Department of Defense launched the Navstar GPS program, a constellation of satellites that could provide accurate location anywhere on Earth, 24/7. This system became fully operational in the 1990s. So, how does GPS actually work? At least 24 satellites orbit the Earth, each constantly sending signals. Your phone or GPS receiver listens to signals from at least 4 satellites. By calculating how long it takes for each signal to reach you, the receiver can pinpoint your location, down to a few meters. It's like a cosmic game of triangulation, happening millions of times per second, all around the planet. For years, GPS was strictly a military tool, used for guiding ships, planes, and missiles. But in 1983, after a tragic incident where a civilian airplane was shot down for straying off course, President Ronald Reagan announced that GPS would be made available for civilian use. At first, it wasn't perfect. Civilian signals were intentionally degraded for security reasons. But by the year 2000, this restriction was lifted, and suddenly GPS became accurate enough for everyone. From car navigation systems in the 90s to Google Maps on your smartphone today, GPS moved from the battlefield to your pocket. Today, GPS is everywhere. It powers ride-sharing apps, tracks airplanes and ships, helps farmers with precision agriculture, and even guides drones and self-driving cars. It's not just about navigation. It's about timing, too. GPS satellites carry atomic clocks that keep the world's time in sync, which is essential for banking, stock trading, and even the internet. And the future? With upgrades like GPS-3 satellites and rival systems like Europe's Galileo or China's Beidou, satellite navigation will become even more accurate, reliable, and secure. So the next time your phone guides you to the nearest cafe, remember, you're using a technology born out of the Cold War, perfected over decades, and now powering the modern world. What technology do you want me to cover next? Let me know in the comments below. Dear friends, did you know this fact before? To enjoy these types of facts, keep on watching our channel Inventor of Science. If you enjoyed this story of invention, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel Inventor of Science.